All right, welcome back, boys and girls. Hopefully, you had a great break with Miss LeBerth. And now we're going to go ahead and read our text for today. If you remember on Friday, we read the text Simon and Molly plus Hester. And that story also was about three friends that didn't get along at first, but then they began to get along. So we saw how the characters changed in that, where two people got along, then three people didn't get along, and then two characters, everybody got along, all three got along in the end. Our story today is called The Best of Friends. This is written by Robert and Patricia McKissack and is illustrated by Hector Barlasca. As we get ready to read our story, let's go ahead and do some vocabulary words first. Our first vocabulary word is the word especially. Especially is more than usually. More than usually is the definition for that. Our next word is market. And market is an outdoor place where people buy and sell things. You've probably been to a farmer's market, maybe to buy some fruits and vegetables with your parents or grandparents. Also, the word messy, not neat, sloppy. And our last word, our vocabulary word, is sometimes, which means once in a while. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our story. So again, The Best of Friends by Robert and Patricia McKissack, illustrated by Hector Balasca, sorry. Alrighty, and we're focusing on understanding the characters. So we want to take a look at understanding our characters. This is Robert. My friends call me Rob. And we see Robert and his mom. This is Robert too. My friends call me Bobby. Rob is tall, his hair is black, his eyes are brown. So they're in a classroom, it looks like. And we see Rob with he's tall, he has the black hair, and he is brown. His eyes are brown, sorry. Bobby is short. His hair is red, his eyes are green. And there's Bobby, a little shorter than Rob is. They're both in the same classroom. Bobby and Rob live on the same street. Bobby lives here, and we see his house. And right next door, Rob lives here, and we see Rob at his house. Bobby has a big green ball. Come play with me. Who do you think he's talking to? Yeah, he's probably talking to Rob. Rob has red, yellow, and blue crayons. Come color with me. And he's, of course, talking to Bobby. Bobby's room is red and blue. His room is messy. I certainly would agree. Look at all those toys every which way. Let's take a look at Rob's room. Rob's room is yellow and green. His room is messy. Well, yes, it is. Both rooms are messy. I hope your rooms don't look like that, boys and girls. Bobby grows lettuce. He helps make a salad. I like vegetables best. Nice garden he has. Rob goes to the market with his mother. He helps make a salad. I like fruit best. So he's a little different, huh? Rob likes swimming. Bobby learns to swim. So we take a look. He's very confident, but Bobby doesn't look as confident. He looks a little scared, huh? Yeah. Author didn't tell us that, but we can tell from the picture that Bobby looks a little frightened. Bobby likes fishing. Rob learns to fish. And so it looks like Bobby's explaining things to Rob, and Rob seems to want to enjoy it. He's not upset about it. He has a nice smile on his face. Bobby has two pets. He has a big dog and a lizard. And how do we think that Rob feels about the lizard? Maybe not too excited about that lizard. He's looking a little like, ooh, it's a little frightened. I would be the same way. Rob has two pets. He has a small dog and a bird that talks. So there's Rob's dog. He is much smaller than Bobby's dog. But Bobby definitely seems surprised by the bird that's talking. I wonder what he's saying. Bobby likes scary stories. Rob doesn't. And we take a look. He thinks the story's funny, but Rob is a little scared. He doesn't want to hear it. Rob likes skating. Bobby doesn't. And we can see Bobby keeps falling. Rob is skating along. Rob and Bobby like some of the same things. They like different things too. So they look like they're on a picnic here. No matter what, they try to be good friends. So he's nice. He's giving him his ice cream because his fell down on the ground. That's a nice friend for sure. Bobby and Rob play with other friends too. Let me see. Bobby playing on the swing. And Rob is playing ball, looks like, with somebody. Sometimes it's fun to play with lots of kids. So they're at the park and they're playing with all kinds of different kids. Sometimes it's fun for just two to play, especially when those two are the best of friends. That's where they are, playing together. The end. That's the end of the story. All right, boys and girls, tomorrow we'll read our story again and we'll take a look at understanding the characters a little closer. Right now, go ahead and take a break with Miss LaBerth, and then you can get started on doing your workbook, your journey page. I think it's the page 36, and then go into writing, and come back and see me for writing. All right, see you soon.